Hey, yo, welcome to the channel, man. Y'all know what we on here doing today, man. Talking about getting some cheese, some more bacon, some more fettuccine on the YouTube, and I'm gonna tell y'all what I've been doing differently. You know what I'm saying? My presentation skills is getting a lot better, so you gotta have good presentation skills. That's the first step. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get to this channel. So, one big thing I've been doing is uploading better thumbnails. So, let's go to the new videos right here real quick. Okay, so look, this is better. I increased my thumbnails. I increased the editing with them, and they're starting to come out and look a lot better. So, first step, thumbnails. First tip, you know what I'm saying? That's a big tip. You know what I'm saying? Fix your thumbnails, make better thumbnails, keep working on them until you get good at it, until you get fast at it. Gotta keep pushing those out, keep networking those. Download different apps, customize different, try different strategies to make better thumbnails. Second, gotta upload more videos. Gotta upload more videos. That's a big tip right there. That'll earn you way more money if you figure out how to stretch out your content, which is what I've been doing, uploading lots more shorts right here. Whole lot of shorts being uploaded. I slowed down kind of this week, but about to get back to uploading way more of those. You know what I'm saying? It seems like YouTube holding me at 2,000 on most of them, but we trying to figure out what that is. So upload a lot more shorts. You feel me? That'll help you increase your revenue. Then I noticed going live has increased exposure a whole lot more too. So y'all can see that I've been going live way more on here. And then I ain't went live in 11 days, so I gotta get back to it. About to get back on here. Get back going live. Whatever way you got to, make sure you getting seen. No matter who think it's all funny right now, but at the end the work gonna pay off. So going live will help you gain more subscribers and exposure immediately, because people on YouTube right now, and it's exposing you to those people who scrolling through YouTube right now, and your live can pop up with theirs at the front page, and you can gain more. You can instantly go viral like that, or you can gain more people and subscribers off just being seen at that moment. Feel me? So make sure you go live. And then another thing I noticed, that the longer I'm going live, the more exposure I'm getting. Like 2 hours right there, 37 hour right there, 18. You know what I'm saying? 42 minutes right there, 36 minutes, 16 minutes. You feel me? Being authentic, showing y'all really has, you know what I'm saying, bringing in more views and all that. So, and then let me see. I know y'all want to see. I'm just starting to make money now. So, just from increasing my uploads, I got a better rank. Bringing in 27,000 views this month, 70 subscribers, 42 videos, and that's with me halfway working. So now I'm about to put in some more work. Where's the normal? Let me see what the normal stats is right here, y'all. So basically, yeah, the more you upload, it makes sense. The more quality, the more content you got, the more people gonna tune in, the more people gonna click. Simple as that. Feel me? Gotta be real with y'all, man. Upload, man. Gotta upload. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you. So, y'all see, watch time is going up, views is going up. And then there it go right there, better thumbnails. So I'm getting more impression clicks, longer click-through rate. I gotta see if I can adjust the shorts thumbnails, you know what I'm saying? So keep uploading. I got the artist channel, you know what I'm saying? I ain't been making too much money yet. Let's see what I'm. So in a month, that's why I told y'all to stay. You gotta stay for my whole video. I made a whopping $7. You feel me? But that's not everything. That's just what we got coming in right now. As long as we got some revenue coming in right now, because I started with none. You feel me? So let's see what I did on this day that made me earn the most. One of my most earning day. A whopping $1.30. Let's see. Why you want to show me what I did on November 9th? Let me see. What did I do differently? November 9th. What did I do to earn that much? November 9th. Yeah, I did something right here. Oh, okay. So I need to get back to uploading my shorts. So right here, y'all can see that I'm talking about music, musical shorts, musical ideas, increase musical people and musical potential. So with me working on more musical shorts, I should be able to earn higher revenue. That's what this is saying to me. So my highest day is $1.90 something off the Birdman video. Maybe he was trending that day or something, I don't know. But as you can see, I'm making most of my bread off the shorts feed. And then I'm learning more with y'all right now. This is good that I'm doing this. Let me see. Shorts feed. So yep, I need to keep uploading more shorts. And then this is like, for example, longer ads right there. It show the songs too. That's crazy. It's saying Let Her Go is doing good. Okay. So yeah, man. So just keep uploading. And the secret is to learn how to slowly get the audience to click and watch. So you can't just, you gotta upload real information. For some reason, I'm not getting no supers, no memberships, none of that. But I need y'all to tune in and like all that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. So yeah, with that being said, so upload more frequently. That's another thing there. And then your earnings will start increasing. Another thing you can do, comment on other people's channels. That's been working for me a little bit. On bigger channels, smaller, medium channels. You can comment on those. Let them know what you do. And then it's saying I can earn more. Show mid-roll ads in this video. So look, as we learning right now. So look, this is something new. We will update your current videos so they can show mid-roll ads. These ads appear in the videos longer than 8 minutes. You can choose your own ad breaks or let YouTube do it for you. I usually let YouTube do it for me. because I'm trying to learn the system first. And then after that, I'll be learning how to do um, my own ad placing. Then another big secret, say this for the ending of the video right now, is using Reddit. Utilize Reddit, you know what I'm saying? Go on there, learn how to use the website first. You know what I'm saying? And that's really helping me get a boost. That's one of my secrets. It's one of my big secrets. That's why I say this for the last. Y'all gotta stay to the end of the video. My big secret, I'm earning a lot more revenue using different platforms like Reddit, posting on Facebook more, and all that there. So y'all can try these tips I just gave y'all. That was about 5 tips. And we about to keep going. Shouts out everybody, and make sure y'all subscribe. LJ the Truth, man. Hey.